All in. We've got to get everybody in. You may not realize this, but there have been numerous Sundays when persons drive onto our campus to come to worship, can't find a place to park after circling the lot a time or two, and drive away. We've got to get everybody in.
We thank God that for 179 years, First Baptist Church has made room to welcome people from all over our city as they respond to the invitation of Jesus. By making even more room in the future, we are participating in the continuation of what Jesus is already doing. He's calling the weary and burdened, the broken and lonely, the stressed out and overworked to come and find rest.
All in. I like the sound of that, don't you? Reminds me of the kind of commitment Jesus asked for when he said if anyone would come after me, he must deny himself, take up his cross daily, and follow me. No room for partial commitments. He's not interested in tag-alongs. He wants us to be all in.
All In is not a fundraising campaign. It's a life-changing campaign. We are declaring that our lives belong to Jesus 100%. We are for our city. We are for the future. We are First Baptist Church, and we are all in.